So this morning we're going to have some fun with a Henrietta egg poacher. Henrietta is a little chicken. You put the eggs in, put the water in, and it will poach it just like any other egg poacher. So meet Henrietta. Lift the lid, take the container out. We're going to butter the inside because we don't want the egg to stick. Make sure you get the sides. I like to make mine almost like a Florentine. So I have some wilted spinach that I did earlier. Just put one of those in the bottom of each. Being difficult a little bit here. Come on. There we go. Put some egg in the bottom. I have some fresh tomatoes from my buddy Roger and Karen's garden, and I just squeeze them a little bit. So I put them in. We're going to set the eggs on top of these juicy, delicious, flavorful tomatoes. You don't have to crush them, but I do. There we go. Now I like to do mine almost like a Florentine with the egg and tomato. I do add a little bit of garlic powder, not salt. I always pour it into the palm of my hands, and then I can control how much garlic I sprinkle into each one. So just a little bit of garlic. And then next, the egg. Crack that baby in there. Whoop. Just fits. Obviously, if you have a family of like 5 or 6, this will be a little hard. You'll have to do it many times, but right here is just for 2 people. Those just all fit in. These eggs are huge. And then we'll lift this up. We'll pour the water in. It's got 3 different levels at which you can use. We're going to the 2nd level. Put this on. Put this on, plug it in, light is on, just check to make sure, yep, light is on, done. Now we just wait for Henrietta to whistle and let us know it's ready. So Henrietta's whistled that we're ready, and look at those beautiful, soft poached eggs. Take our knife, just go around the edge, in case there's a little sticky spots, because we really want these to come out in one smooth piece. I like to use a spoon to get mine out. Trying to get one of these eggs out without breaking them. I think we got one. Beautiful. Beautiful soft poached egg with a runny yolk, tomatoes, spinach, arugula, garlic, and some Parmesan cheese. Now watch out how much Parmesan cheese you put on because of the salt content.